morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Sunday, Super Bowl Sunday. What are you doing for Super Bowl Sunday? You doing any good, fun food? I'm not. Yeah. Last night, I prepared a ginger pork stir fry over white rice. I added a bunch of extra vegetables into this because I had them in the cold box, and I figured I better use them. Yeah. So it was yummy. I'll get it posted up. Tonight, for dinner, is Cowboy Stew. I've done this before, and it's a house favorite. I've already told Robin to stop by and get some leftovers, because this is one of her favorites too. So let's get to it. Got the good old Dutch oven out. Got to have a big one for this one. This is a big meal. We got hamburger. We've got smoked sausage. We've got bacon. Red onion. Red potatoes. Kidney beans. I'm using white beans because I had them in the pantry. Some corn. Of course, there's some kosher salt, black pepper. The empty container, you should recognize this container by now. That's garlic because today's garlic day. Also in this is diced tomatoes, some stock, some good old beef stock, and I'm using a local spiceries chipotle chili pepper blend. It's not a blend, I'm sorry. Chipotle pepper powder, local spiceries, smoked paprika, some ground cumin, and to top it off, some good old triple blend cheddar cheese. Yes. So there's all the goodies for tonight's meal. And I'm ready to do some garlic. It was close this week. So yeah, that's what I've got going on today. I'll probably watch the game. I usually do. And I usually do watch for the commercials. They say there's some good ones. They say. We'll see. 2 announcements. Again, Soup Symphony, a medley of flavors, is available on Amazon. I'll put the link somewhere. Or you can go to my new website. Here's the address. casualchefcreations.com. There's plenty of links there to both cookbooks. It takes you directly to Amazon. Yeah. So on this Super Bowl Sunday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.